To the weather now, and Mandy Reynolds-Smith sent in tonight's photo of the Eastern Arthurs from Bathurst Harbour. Here's Simon.
Good evening. It was cloudy at times today in the west and south. A few light showers about the south and southeast coast, but finally mostly sunny over the remainder. Maximum temperatures today were below average, although it got to 19, the state's high at Burnie. Overnight temperatures also below average, down to -1 at places like Lyowini and Lake St Clair. Hobart's range 8 to 14, Launceston 7 to 18, 17 for Devonport and 19 for Burnie. Rainfall tonight AM, some light falls about the west and south, 6 millimetres on Mount Wellington, but just 1 in Hobart. There was 4 at Cape Bruni and 5 at Mount Reid, 3 at Strawn. Satellite photo this afternoon, fairly typical of a south to southwesterly flow, bit of cloud about the west and south, but clear skies in the north. And the national sequence confirms that, with this cloud pushing up from the south today, but fairly clear to our north. Fairly extensive band of cloud, especially across WA and South Australia, associated with a trough and spiralling into a low pressure system south of WA there. The chart has that low, but closer to home, this high pressure system is the main feature for Tasmania, extending high over the state late tomorrow, with pretty well fine and sunny conditions after a cold and frosty start. The high moves out to the east on Tuesday with a northeasterly flow, fine until some showers develop in the north and some late showers ahead of this trough in the west. Trough crosses on Wednesday with showers statewide, mainly in the north and west, with this front to follow on Thursday, again bringing a brief burst of showers statewide and a westerly flow to follow on Friday. So rainfall for the week, and the model's not keen on much rain at all, but in actual fact I think we'll see about 5 to 15 millimetres of rain across parts of the west and north. Interstate for tomorrow, some clearing showers in Sydney and Perth, possible showers in Brisbane, possible thunderstorms in Darwin and fine for the other capitals. Tasmania's forecast a cold start with areas of frost at first, and it should be fine and mostly sunny throughout, with generally light winds right across the state. So sunny for most centres tomorrow. Burnie and Devonport can expect a top of 17, Launceston 2 to 18, St Helens up to 16, Strawn 17, Swansea 16 and mostly sunny 6 to 19 for Hobart. Sunrise tomorrow at 6:41. Coastal waters, southwest to southeasterly winds 10 to 20 knots, gradually shifting northeast to southeasterly at 5 to 15 knots, up to 20 knots in the northwest. South to southwest swell of 3 to 4 metres in the west and south, a westerly swell in Bass Strait, southerly swell to 3 metres in the east. There's a frost warning for northern, eastern and upper Derwent Valley tomorrow, for temperatures down to about -1 in the early hours of the morning. Looking at the rest of the week, on Tuesday it should be fine until some showers develop about the north and west during the afternoon and evening. A shower or two for Burnie, possible showers late in the day for Devonport and Launceston and fine for Hobart. On Wednesday, some showers statewide, more frequent in the west and north as a trough crosses. Showers for Burnie, Devonport and Launceston, a shower or two for Hobart. On Thursday, a cold front crosses during the morning with some showers statewide, more frequent in the north and west. And on Friday, more of a westerly flow with some clearing showers in the east and showers developing in the west. That's the week ahead. Here's Angela.
Thanks, Simon. Before we go, a reminder of tonight's top story. The Prime Minister, Tony Abbott, insists the no jab, no pay policy will help curb the rising rates of conscientious objection to immunisation. And that's the latest news. For news at any time, go to abc.net.au/news. Good night.